Okay students, now we will discuss the exercise which we have covered yesterday in our class. That was the exercise 4.2 where we have done first question A part, and these questions are also consist of exponent and powers. 5 upon 6 having power 6 and 5 upon 6 having power 4. So as we know, here is the sign of multiplication and the base is same, we can add the number. So that's why we have written 6 plus 4. Okay, when base is same, this is called base, sign is of multiply, we can add the power. So 5 upon 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So 5 upon 6 having power 10 is the answer of our question. In the B part, again they have given same base, 4 upon 5, 4 upon 5, but the sign is of given division. So when we are given with sign of division, we will use always sign of minus. So that's why in this question we have subtracted the term 3 minus 2. So as we know, 3 minus 2 is 1. So 4 upon 5 having power 1 is the answer of this question. In the C part, what is given? Minus 6 upon 5, 3, 8. Whenever we have one power inside the bracket and one power outside the bracket, we will multiply them. So 8 3 is 24, and they have told that write the answer in exponential form. So हमें powers को नहीं खोलना है, उनको multiply नहीं करना, हमें powers के साथ ही answer लिखने हैं उनके. That's why we have 24 directly. In the D part, what we have? 3 raised to 7 divide 3 raised to 3. So all the bases are same this time. So again we have written 7 minus 3 because the sign which is given, that is of division. So now what we will have? 3 raised to 4, 7 minus 3, 4 into 3 raised to 3. That we will solve here. So as it is given, so now we have 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 3. Again base same, sign is of multiply. So 4, 3, 7. When we add them, we get 3 raised to 7. So this is the answer of question. In the E part, what we have? 2 raised to 4 into 2. Again one power is inside the bracket, one is outside the bracket. So 4 2 is 8. That's why the answer is 2 raised to 8. In the next we have 4 raised to 5 minus 5. That is very understood that 5 minus 5 is 0. So 4 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Anything having power 0, the answer is always 1. That means the term is not available there. So answer is 1. In the G part, what we have? In the G part we have 2 0, that is 1, 3 0 1, 4 0 1 plus 1 1 1, because we know if anything having power 0, the answer is equal to 1. So 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. 1 into 1 into 1, again 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So this is the answer of G part. So now we will solve S part here. 8 raised to x plus 1, 8 raised to 3. So what we can say here, because the base is same, both are 8. So we'll add the power. So x plus 3, x plus 1 plus 3 upon 8 raised to x plus 2. Okay, then what we have? X plus 4, x plus 2.